So I'll offer some suggestions here, and I'm of a mood kind of feeling you to go for it. So, uh, as with any experiment, we try to do things with our mind, and then we see what happens. All right. So let's begin. I'll ring the bell. You'll hear me offer some standard mindfulness suggestions, and then some others that are focused on some interesting kinds of cultivations. And as with any suggestions, feel free to pick and choose what you find most useful. Uh, Often I like to meditate in silence. This is a guided practice, so I kind of apologize in advance for my voice, sometimes perhaps intruding on your experience. So, finding a posture that helps you be comfortable and alert, with your eyes open or closed. It's nice to have a sense of place, perhaps looking around the room initially to orient yourself and feel comfortable that you're in a relatively protected setting. It's okay. You can claim this place as your own at this time, in the present, being here now. Being aware of your body, unless for any reason that's uncomfortable, as it can be for some people. And if you like, you can get a sense of the room as a whole that you're in, rather than your body, if you want. Finding a sense of dignity and ease. Finding an anchor, or in a sense a buoy, for your attention to remain in touch with. I like to use the internal sensations of breathing, the chest rising and falling, the air flowing in and flowing out. But feel free to choose another object of attention if you like, such as a word, or image, or feeling. As you stay in touch with your object of attention, it might be like resting an arm on a buoy in a very warm and comfortable sea. And as the swells rise and fall, and the waves of thoughts and sounds and sensations come and go, you remain in touch with a kind of buoy that can stabilize and steady your attention, helping you remain present in the present. Allowing experiences to come and go while you remain present, gradually softening and opening and letting go. I'll introduce a few practices here that we can offer to others and can draw upon what we are increasingly understanding about our own body and key systems in it, including the brain. This first practice I call the 3 breaths practice. I'll walk us through it and then we'll do it 3 breaths in a row. In the first breath, breathing while feeling your chest as a whole. The left side of the chest and the right side of the chest together, front and back together, top and bottom together, breathing while feeling your chest as a whole. And as a kind of bonus, if you like, you can gradually widen attention, widen awareness to include your whole body as a single whole. a single unified field with many sensations in it, abiding as a whole body breathing, seeing what this is like. In the second breath, breathing while feeling caring, keeping it simple, focusing on the feeling, being aware of someone you like, perhaps appreciate, are friends with, perhaps love. Breathing while feeling caring, perhaps someone you have compassion for, being aware of the area around the heart, maybe with a hand on your heart. Breathing while feeling caring. And then in the third breath, which might be a little more challenging, breathing while feeling cared about, keeping it simple, focusing on the feeling of being with others who like you or appreciate you, are grateful to you. You're part of a group, perhaps. Could be your dog. Could be someone who loves you. Breathing while feeling cared about. And then the 3 breaths in a row. Breathing while feeling your chest as a whole. Breathing while feeling caring. And breathing while feeling cared about. be quiet for a couple of minutes. And if you like, you can explore the sense of remaining present, aware of your body as a whole, awareness opening in all directions. While from time to time you have a sense of peacefulness and lovingness mingling together, an open-hearted calming, a peaceful compassion. Even taking the sense of an open-hearted peacefulness as your object of meditation, becoming absorbed in the sense of open-hearted peacefulness as the sense of open-hearted peacefulness is absorbed into you, becoming increasingly established in open-hearted peacefulness. And in our last minute or so, if you like, you can open your eyes and move a little bit as you bring along with you whatever is beneficial that you've cultivated in this practice. Perhaps qualities of steady mindfulness, warm-heartedness, calm, peacefulness, including these qualities with you as you be a little more active. Bows to you.